Hello, I'm Barry Winbolt. As a consultant, trainer and psychologist, I've been helping people improve their relationships at work and at home for over 25 years. Outside my work, I also have a social life and a family life. And like anyone else, I've had to work out ways of dealing with difficult people in all sorts of settings. I'm often asked, who are these difficult people? And I often respond with a question. Who in the room can be difficult? Themselves. And pretty well everybody puts their hands up. So it might be that you've got a manager who speaks down to you, a partner or a spouse who never listens to you. Perhaps you're fortunate enough to have a group of teenage children at home who you need to communicate better with. It's pretty well any situation where the behaviour repeatedly obstructs your attempts to communicate, get the job done, or move forward towards the outcomes you want.
Karen?
Yep.
You know the account system, yeah? When you close down a client account, well, do you have to cancel any existing purchase orders, or will it just do that automatically?
Look, I'll just do it, okay?
No, it's fine. I can do it myself. Could you just...
Just email me and tell me what you need to do and I'll sort it out, okay?
Now, in most cases, we work round that. Mostly we don't think of people as being difficult. We have a minor hiccup, a misunderstanding, and we sort it out as we go along. But there are some situations where it just keeps coming back to bite us. Maybe you've spoken to the person 36 times already. Perhaps they won't allow you to approach them, to speak to them. Maybe it's something in them that means they have difficulty communicating with you. Whatever it is, the strategies I'm covering in this course will give you the ways to work around these behaviours or work through them.
From what I've heard from Jack, he's had very little support and no training, which means things aren't being done properly. And so there's a backlog of work piling up.
Well, that's just rubbish. You can't blame me if he can't do his job.
In order to do that, we need to develop a certain set of skills. And actually, the good news is these are skills which we all have. It's simply a question of bringing them out in a certain way and using them in a structured manner. And then you can put them together in strategies that will help you work around pretty well any difficult behaviour.
Karen, you had a responsibility to train and manage a new member of staff. You failed to do so. It's cost the company time and money.